a free account at Figma.com, access to a color printer, open up Figma in the web browser and select New Design File. Using your Frame tool, go over to the right and select the letter format. Then switch its orientation by entering 90 degrees into the area shown on screen. Using our Shape tool, we will make a line in the center of the page to let us know where we can fold or cut. Now we increase the thickness of this line to make it more clear. Then using our text tool, we will add the main text for the cover of the card. In this case, I chose to use Happy Birthday Mom. We will then highlight everything to change the size of the text to 36 pixels. And then in that same section, we will center the text. And now we can choose our font. Using that same shape tool from before, we will now insert a picture, any one will work, that represents the occasion that we're trying to convey. Now we select the background, and using the dropper tool, we match the background color to the color of our picture. We can recenter the text and change the color to whatever we want. From here, we add our message. We add the intro at the top, and then as you will see, a second text box in the center for the main part of our message. Now we decorate the side with our message. You can choose any image. I chose confetti to fit the occasion, and I'm going to add it to the top here, and then right click on it to send it behind the text. Now we copy and paste the image to the bottom and rotate it 180 degrees so it's facing the right way, and then do the same. Right click and press send to back so we can see the text over top. Now, using our shape tool, we will add a white square to the back, and again, right-click it and send it behind the text so that side of the paper matches. Now you select everything on the screen by clicking and dragging, and scrolling down on the right hand side to export, selecting PDF, and then pressing export, whatever the name of your project is. After exporting everything, you send it to the printer and fold it in half, and your greeting card is ready.